How to download nursing books PDF for free. Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to give you where you can download nursing fonts, nursing books PDF for free without paying anything. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. I don't want to waste much more time. Okay, so the first one is OpenRN. Yes, OpenRN. OpenRN offer a comprehensive collection of nursing textbooks covering topics like pharmacology, fundamental, mental health, and advanced skills. All books are free to download in PDF format. Yes, you can go to OpenRN and then download nursing books for free without paying anything. Okay. And the next one also is Open Textbook Library. Yes, Open Textbook Library provide peer review nursing textbooks, including titles like Fundamental and Mental Health and Community Concepts. Okay, so you can go to Open Textbook Library and then download your nursing books for free. Yes, it is for free. And the next one also is Free Book Center. Free Book Center. Free Book Center hosts a variety of medical and nursing textbooks, lectures, notes, and study material available for free download. You can go to Free Book Center and then download your textbooks, lecturer notes, and then study material. Okay, for free. We don't pay anything. Okay. And the next one also is Medical Study Zone. Yes, Medical Study Zone offer a collection of nursing books, including drugs handbooks, guide plans, and exams prep guide. These are available through direct download links. Okay, so you can go to Medical Study Zone and then download your drug handbooks, care plans, and exams prep guide. Okay, you download it for free without paying anything. Yes, and the next one also is Devonport University Library Guide. Features a selection of open educational resources for health and nursing, including textbooks on clinical procedures, pharmacology, and then public health ethics. Okay, so this is where you can download nursing book PDF for free without paying any extra. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download it, a step by step guide. Okay, so you see how to download it. Okay, so let's watch it. So this is how to record it. When you click on the link, it will brought you here. Then you come and choose the type of book you want to download. Me, I want to download nursing pharmacology. So have you seen that? You have to click on download free digital ebook. Okay, so you click on download free digital ebook and then it will open like this. Okay, it will tell you to um type your email, your first name, and then the last name. Okay, so you type your email. Okay, when you type your email, then you come and select your first name and then the last name. Okay, and then have you seen I have select my name and then my last name, and then it asks you to select the province, state or province. So you come and select province. Okay, so you come and click on select. Okay, me, I select AB. Okay, so I select AB, and then for the school I click on the school and then select nursing training. Okay, have you seen I have select nursing training? Okay, and then the next one also is
What best describe you? Okay, so have you seen? I have typed the nursing training school. So for that one, you come and select you are a student. For me, I select student. Okay, so and then after select all of them, then you come and click on send now. Okay, so you click on send now. Yes, and it's open like this. Okay, yes, your book has downloaded successfully. Okay, so this is the simple way you can download it for free. Have you seen the have you seen that? I haven't paid anything. Okay, so this is the content of the book. Okay, this is the content of the book. Then um I will scroll down and then watch through if there is the type of book I'm wanting. Okay, if it's the book I want. Okay, so I'm reading through it. Okay, this is the introduction of the book. Okay, then you scroll down. Have you seen? I haven't paid anything. It didn't tell me to pay anything. Okay, so I have downloaded it for free without paying anything. Okay, so this is how to do it. It's very simple. Okay, it's very simple. So this is how it is. Okay, I have downloaded it for free. Yes, this is pharmacology's basis introduction. Okay, so this is how to do it. And then I scroll down, then look through of it. Okay, if everything has come successful. Okay, so I'm looking through the book. Okay,
Yes. So this is the simple way you can use and then download it, okay, for free. I hope, yeah, you are now seeing that yes, it's really true that you can download it for free. Okay. If yes, then thank you for watching it and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.